I am going to turn this, just like a piece of plywood, to this. Using just a few things here, I got some Polyfil, which is like spackling stuff that you use to fill the wall. So just like a big tub of that. Some of the tools that you need to spread the spackle, the Polyfil, and then some spray paints. I want to do a darker board, so this one's going to be like more black than the one that I have, which is more white. This is a clear coat on top so that it's easy to wipe spills, because it's for my food photography. And some white paint just in case I feel like it needs a white coat, but this is optional. You don't actually need this paint if you're using spray paint. So let's make a board. All right, so first up, spackle. This is so much fun. You don't have to be perfect here. It's actually very forgiving. This stuff takes a while to dry, so just take your time, spread it out. And I like to do kind of this gentle like rub over so that I can get all these like interesting ridges. And then just kind of let it sit, dry for a couple of hours, 4 hours according to the spackle instructions on the box. And then I took it outside and gave it a nice spray, whatever color you like. Obviously, we're going dark here. And I'm trying not to be too perfect with my spray because I kind of like that marbled effect. Doing a little bit of green to give it more of a gray tone. Again, trying not to be too precise about this. If you see some edges there that you don't like, you can use a wet sponge to kind of blend it out. But it's looking pretty good to me. Give it a few hours to dry, and then a clear top coat. This is optional, but I like it because it'll help me, wipe up spills and things. It's not waterproof, but it does the job. And this is the final product. What do you think? Which one do you prefer, dark or light? Any questions? Shoot me a comment down below, and happy crafting!